The Gus is back. I just lost my hat. I'm gonna get my hat really quick and then make my way back down the mountain. All right, hello and good morning. I'm out here taking a walk to this island, just end of the peak type thing. It's pretty far out here, about an hours long walk. I should be out there, be able to catch some insane views. It is overcast. I mean, it's actually drizzling a little bit, so hopefully I don't get caught out here in the rain. So making progress with this walk, maybe about 5-6 miles. You can see the city back on the coast. So I see a marina up here, and I also know there's supposed to be hiking trails, some cool like nature sites. I really like this idea of progression, just in general. And as I make these videos, the first I was proud of it, and then after uploading I didn't like it anymore. So the second one, the second or third, I made those much better, and I loved that one when I uploaded it. And then I didn't really like it anymore after I put it up. Then that means today I'll try to make this one much better than the one yesterday. So this place actually has a name. This is Fort Amherst. There's something about the way the water comes in, this whole like open rock type mountainsides, which are really cool to look at. So according to AccuWeather, the current wind speed in gusts, 33 miles an hour gusts and 28 mile per hour wind speed. It's not like the most ideal conditions out here, but I think this is just how the weather is here until like it starts snowing. So if I have any chance of flying the drone and getting some shots here, it's probably gonna be from here. I'm kind of between two valleys. I'm not sure if I can take the drone in that kind of winds, keeping in mind that I have lost 2 drones in the past. There were in fact ideal conditions at those times. So I'm gonna take the drone up really quick and see how it looks out here. So I got the drone up for a short moment. It's actually like misting pretty hard. My camera's actually getting soaked. The drone was getting like taken off into the wind. Constant speeds are just so fast that you can't really fly it. It's just small enough that winds like this are really taking it. However, I am gonna go all the way to the end of this walk here and see what it looks like over there. And I can get some more footage by hand, and maybe I'll put the drone back up. But according to the forecast, it's only gonna get windier. wind gusts are insane.
So the main question right now is if I should go hiking. There's this trail called Deadman's Path, and it goes up there. Obviously today is probably not the day. Yeah. Alright.
The gust is back. I just lost my hat. I'm gonna get my hat really quick and then make my way back down the mountain.
Here's the trail sign for Deadman's Path. They have the East Coast Trail, and then one of those fantastic use at your own risk signs. It literally just goes up here and goes up all the way to up there. So
I'll just kind of stand here until I make up my mind and see if I want to go up the mountain. All my camera batteries and everything look fine. My camera is getting a little wet. Maybe I'll hike this trail really quick. This hiking is no joke. It's like doing a stair machine, but even harder. So I'm just gonna go up to the top of this current part, and I think I'm gonna head back, call it a day. Doing a little photo shoot out here. Just trying to get these Instagram pics. I got like some good tree cover that's protecting the wind so the tripod won't fall over. And now on to photo greatness. So this is like the last sign off before I head back to the hotel. I have like a 6-mile walk ahead of me. The wind is just going crazy. The tripod's actually being blown over. The current wind speeds are 28 miles an hour with gusts at 33 miles an hour. I did take the drone back up. I love flying the drone. I took it up and it was just getting thrown around in the wind again. I did get some more great shots. So that's that. I'm gonna go head back to the hotel, get there before it starts raining, and I'll see y'all on the next video.